Hello everyone, I am Saket and welcome to Shape It and Make It. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make glue at home with easily available ingredients at home. It's non-toxic, it's edible, it's super strong and affordable. But before I get to the procedure, you're seeing that subscribe button below, right? Do click on that and also click on the bell icon next to it so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is my Instagram handle, do follow me there. So let's get to the procedure now. First, to make this, you need to take a pan, preferably a non-stick pan. I am also using a non-stick pan here. Then take 1 cup of all-purpose flour or maida and add it into the pan. Then take 1/3 of the quantity of all-purpose flour or maida of sugar, 1/3 cup of sugar. Then, just as a preservative, take 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or vinegar. Over here I am using lemon juice. Then just give it a good mix. Now take 2 cups of water and combine all of them. I am using a whisker to combine it. You can also use a spoon. If you don't have a whisker and you are using a spoon, add the water little by little and mix it so that lumps are not formed. See, I have avoided lumps and combined all of it. Now, with an adult's help, put this pan on the stove. On medium flame, thicken this. Let it thicken on its own. You don't have to do anything. Just keep mixing it and scrape it from the bottom of the pan. Avoid lumps. Now, with a spoon at this stage, press it so that lumps are not formed. Now, when it's this consistency, switch off the stove and keep mixing it so that it won't stick to the bottom. Keep mixing it just for 2 to 3 minutes and make it into one big lump. See, I have made it into one big lump, and now you can stop mixing it and let it to completely cool down. See? Now I have let it cool down completely. Now take an airtight glass container and transfer all of the glue into it. After transferring all the glue into it, adjust it so that you can store more glue. If you leave air space in it, then it will dry up and become hard. So don't leave any air space. See? Now I have transferred all the glue into this jar. Now I'm just keeping the lid, and you have to store this in the refrigerator. You can't store it outside, and it will stay good for 2 to 3 months if you store it in the refrigerator. Now I have removed it out from the refrigerator to show you when you remove it from the refrigerator, it will be a bit thick. See, I'm showing you with a brush. It's a bit thick. If you are able to spread it like this, fine, or I will be telling you a tip today. So see, now we will be testing sticking cardboard to cardboard and paper to paper. So to do this, this is the tip. You have to take some glue in a cup and take warm water. Now this warm water has to be lukewarm, not too warm or too cold or too hot. Now just mix it up. Just take little by little, take very little water and do not mix too much water or it won't stick. Now, as we are using cardboard over here to stick, apply glue on every single corner and apply a really thick layer. If we apply a thin layer, it won't stick. See? I am sticking all of the glue. I am applying all of the glue. have another piece of cardboard which I'm going to stick on this. See? Now just press it a little and leave it for 2 to 3 hours. Don't touch it while it's wet, while the glue is wet, or it will separate. Now let's try sticking paper to paper. So see, I have taken the glue and now I am applying the glue on the paper. I am not applying the glue on the total paper as paper sticks easily, and this is just for testing. See, I have another piece of paper. I am sticking that also. As paper is really thin and sticks easily, you just have to leave it to dry for about 1.5 hours. Now they have dried up completely and I think that they have stuck really nicely. Yes. So see, I'm even trying to pull them out and separate them, but it's not coming out. It means that it worked. Yes. Now this paper, see, it completely stuck. See, I'm trying to pull it, but it's not separating. So it worked. Did you see that? The glue totally worked. It stuck a cardboard to a cardboard, and even if I tried to rip it, it did not rip. So you also try this and post it on Instagram and tag me so that I can also see how you made this. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.